see what's going on in this function. This instruction. And this function is called upstairs. And is it given as x with x? It's coming. Oh, this one diffuse. Well, it seems that this function compares the input with this string, and when it returns, this string is printed, means that you have passed phase 1 and go to phase 2. All right. Let's see what's in phase 2. Oh, what's that? Well, there's a function with 6 numbers. Let's go. Usually, we identify the key components by the strings and the function names. Okay, and when we reach that particular region, then we'll analyze the assembly code one by one. Okay, it seems that we should input 6 integers. Right. Okay, let's just randomly input 6 integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, okay. We set a breakpoint at phase 2. Okay, we'll set a breakpoint at phase 2 and read 6 numbers to see what's going on. Delete. Break the 2 breakpoints and delete 1. Okay, and we break at phase 2 and break at read 6 numbers. And run the program. Public speaking is very easy. Okay, phase 1, phase 2. Go. Yeah, we hit the first breakpoint at phase 2 function. Six numbers are still not on the stack. We'll go and we're at the read 6 numbers function. Let's see what's going on. Execute the instructions one by one. We'll check the stack. When there is something interesting on the stack, then when our input is on the stack, then maybe we get to the interesting region. No. Input and there is a compare. Okay, let's see. Compare at here. This compare. It compares EAX with 5. EAX is the return of this function, right? It's the return of scanf function, and scanf is just a standard C library function. It returns the number of characters that you input, right? And it compares whether there are whether there are 6 numbers, because this is if it's greater than EAX is greater than 5, then it goes to here, or if it's less than and equals to 5, then it will explode, right? Okay, it seems that this function only reads 6 numbers. Okay, then let's go back to the phase 2 function. Let's go back to here. Finish. Finish means finish this function and go back to its caller. Yeah, so we're at here. Okay. Let's execute the instructions one by one. Add ESP with 10 and compare. Oh, there is a compare. Compare EBP minus 18 with 1. What is this? Let's see, what is this? EBP is 78. So this is what? This is 60, right? So 60 is 1. Oh, this is our input. So it compares the first input with 1. If it's equal, then it will go to this address. Right. Let's continue. And yes, we just input the first number as 1, and it goes to here. Then what it does is move 1 to EBX. Okay, let's move 1 to EBX, then EBX is the 1, and move 60 to ESI. So ESI is 60. Let's continue. And move EVP plus 1 to EAX. So EBX is 1, and EAX is EPP plus 1. EBX plus 1 is 2. Let's continue. Multiply. Now EAX. So ESI plus EBX multiplies 4 minus 4. It means EAX equals to EAX multiplies ESI is what is ESI? EBX minus 18 which is the first input, which is the first input, the first number, and EBX is 1. So, this is an address, and here, +1 and -1 is still EA sign, and the content is the first number, right? So, EAX equals to the first number. EAX equals to 2 multiplies the first number is 1, so it's 2. And then we compare EAX with ESI plus EBX multiplies 4, which is 60. Multiplies 4 is 64. The second number, right? So this is the second number, right? So the second number is compared with 2, right? Okay. So yeah, the second number is 2. So we are correct. Let's see what's the third number. Continue. Actually, the code we just executed is in here. Compare this with 1, and move 1 to EBX, and compare EAX with this and with this. Okay, so where we are at yeah, so we are at here. Let's continue. Okay, EBX is increased. So we are at here. EBX is increased by 1. So number 2. Number 1 is 1. Number 2 is 2. Then we increase EBX. With 1. Now EBX is 2, and we compare EBX with 5. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, we can guess that this increase means increase the index. Because after that, the next EBX is used to fetch a content in the stack, right? And EBX is compared with 5 here. So, which means 6 numbers are compared, the index, right? Okay, let's continue. Continue. And yeah, it goes back to here. Now I guess we are going to compare the third input. Let's see. Third input. EDX is 2 and 3, so yeah, X is 3. EAX with 3, and then multiplies 3 with that's what is in here. ESI is still 60. Okay, so ESI is the start address of our 6 numbers, right? And we add EBX. So this is the 68, and EBX is 2. So 64. Okay. The second number. Yeah. So EAX equals to EAX multiplies the second number. And compare the